Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you want to play multiplayer in BONELAB on your Quest headset, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set it up. Step 1. First, you need to make sure your Quest headset is fully updated to the latest software version. Go into your settings, find the About section, and check for any pending updates. Install them if they're available because multiplayer features require the newest build to function properly. Step 2. Next, you'll want to launch the BONELAB app and navigate to the main menu. Look for a multiplayer or online section. This is typically found in the settings menu or on the home screen. Once you locate it, select the multiplayer option to see what modes are available to you. Step 3. You'll need to connect your Quest to your Meta account or your social network. Make sure you're logged in properly because multiplayer requires account authentication. Check your friend list and verify that your account is active and in good standing before attempting to join sessions. Step 4. Now you can join or create a multiplayer session. You can invite friends directly through the app or search for public lobbies. Select your preferred game mode, whether that's competitive or cooperative play, and customize any settings you want before launching into the experience. Step 5. Finally, make sure your internet connection is strong and stable. A wired connection is always better than wireless if possible. Test your connection speed, close any unnecessary background apps, and enjoy your multiplayer session with smooth performance.